Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with eToro in America, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin your registration with eToro in America, go to the eToro website. Look for the Join Now button on the homepage. Click on the button to initiate the registration process. You will be presented with a registration form. Enter your email address in the designated field. Create a secure username that you will remember. Choose a strong password that complies with security guidelines. Select your country of residence from the drop-down menu. Fill in your phone number, ensuring it's accurate for verification. After filling out the form, click on the Create Account button. You will then receive a verification email in your inbox. Open the email and click on the verification link to confirm your account. Once verified, return to the eToro platform. Log in using your new username and password. You may need to complete your profile by providing additional information. Fill out personal details such as your name, date of birth, and address. Provide your social security number for identity verification. Answer a few questions about your trading experience and investment goals. Review and accept the terms and conditions as well as the privacy policy. After completing all sections, click on the Submit button. You may need to upload identification documents to verify your account. Follow the prompts to upload a valid ID and proof of address. Wait for eToro to review your documents. This may take a few hours. Once approved, you will receive a notification via email. Now, you can fund your account using various payment methods available. Choose the method that suits you best and enter the required amount. After funding your account, you're ready to start trading on eToro. Explore the platform and familiarize yourself with its features. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.